trophy. Okay.
All right, so we're picking teams. We just got done. It's us three here. Vaughn has two other guys, and it's those three over there. We have 3 cars, so we're trying to figure out how we're gonna pick each of the cars right now. So we'll see how it goes. There's a pretty rad trophy for this.
Look at that.
It's gonna look so good on the mantle.
I thought it'd look good at the dealership.
Yeah. Today's trophy, wait, it changes colors too? Oh yeah. Dude, you have to make that shit strobe.
You hit the jump 7.
Go ahead, Cosmo.
What? There it is.
Look at that. It says Backyard Bandit. So the winning team takes this home.
Is that sick, that's us. Oh, look at that. There it is. There it is.
So one vehicle already has
This
a
is
blown head
solid.
gasket because Chelsea blew the head gasket on the way here. So we have this.
Practices and then 3 each.
Who's trying to kill the battery in that? The lights are on.
Choosing is by axe throwing who gets which vehicle.
Yo, E, you better get this.
Well, what are you practicing now? Come on.
Yeah, I said you get practice.
No, either.
All right, so what is it, close to the bullseye?
Right here at this white.
But 3 throws close to the bullseye?
You 2 practices each.
Are these proper throwing spec axes?
3 throws close to the bullseye.
Those are from Lowe's. Those are on aisle 12 in the
3 throws
thorax
close to the
section.
bullseye, no practice.
Where'd you mark them? No practice?
No practice.
No practice. 3 in.
We're taking our whole shot there.
Oh, that one.
Come on!
Oh, ED.
3 throws
That's
close
gotta
to the
stick.
bullseye, son.
Nope.
All right, I can't do worse than that.
Deciding who gets to pick which cars to race.
It's no flick of the wrist, right?
Hey!
No coaching!
This is so random. This whole thing is so great. Oh, stepped in front of the line.
There.
Yeah, it's closest. I have it on video.
All right. You got this, Chelsea.
Why did we get practice throws?
We'll take the Mazda.
Are you serious?
Bullseye though.
We got that damn escape.
We got a Mazda. God, it's like we're in a Mazda. That was beginner's luck.
Jesus.
Every
Well done.
time he does something
Damn
for the first time, he's amazing at it.
I gotta go get the one in the woods.
I'm second.
All right, don't throw. I'm gonna get that one.
We got 2 throw off for
Nope.
Oh, she's got a dip. I don't know. It might not be very rear-wheel drive. It's like only for traction, but I have the lock button on, so it should be totally good right now. Oh no. Why'd you stop, dog? It's definitely doing something with the back.
It's definitely, yeah. I'm not too sure he's gonna take these cars to the fucking auction afterwards, though.
Oh no,
I don't
that
see
ain't
it
happening. I'm putting this thing on its roof at the end.
I'm not in the car with you. I'll be very bummed.
Yeah, I put one on the roof on Friday night. I'm putting on the roof.
Oh man.
You got it, boo. This car up. Hit the bear. Oh.
Oh no, we're stunk. That's it, dude.
Oh! Watch the radiator, bro.
Yeah, dickhead! We're like 30 seconds into off-roading, and we realize the center diff doesn't work, and this thing's fully front-wheel drive.
Yo, how gnarly was it that way? Yo, you gotta bang that shit.
Oh god, hold on. Woohoo! Yeah!
tie both of them together.
You can hold them on for dear life.
There's a truck.
We are so uncentered.
We were supposed to take it right.
So we're beached, totally beached, and he's gonna send it through in the Ranger danger. Yeah, we're good. I'll know if he's coming or not. I don't even know how I went that fast through it.
Jay, did somebody tell him they gotta make a hard right? I did.
Oh,
Super hard.
all right. So that's in a purpose built vehicle. Here we go in the Danger Ranger. Yo, you better send it hard, dog.
What do you gotta do? Stay left or right?
Right, go right. I went straight. I'm beached, bro. I'm high centered.
Go right, go right.
Dude, this is just to get to the quarry.
Now listen, there's some shit right there. You gotta punch it and go right through that.
Yeah, it's bad.
Nah, he's
I
done.
ain't going nowhere.
He's done.
Tony, hook up to him.
That's everybody. Go! Go!
We got it.
That is a huge
All right, so 5 hours after we're supposed to start this race, we're actually starting the race. Vaughn's got 4 different tires on the car. His car is 3 seconds slower on a 2-minute and 40-second track. So they're gonna start at the same time, but the Mazda has to win by 30 seconds at the end of the race to be a winner. So they're about to do it right now. Oh, Tony, you slept on the light, dog! Vaughn is like fully sending it.
Yo.
Hold on, so when I roll my window up, you honk 3 times and we go on the 3rd honk.
Vaughn is wheeling the shit out of that thing. Oh my god, it's so hilarious to see that. Oh!
Drift it back. Just make your way back.
What?
Make your way back.
I have no trans. I can't go anywhere.
I'll push you.
That's full throttle in gear.
Put it in neutral, I'll push you.
Same thing.
I was trying to.
And you got chopped so hard right here, dude. You were like, whoa! Oh my god.
Whoa!
Oh my god, I'm trying to take a
going? I was trying to slow down really slow. You good?
What was that? That was minor detail.
Ah! Look in front of us!
We're spitting up so much.
Oh my god, we got loose right there. Are they pushing us?
No. They backed off. They couldn't see anything.
They couldn't handle the speed. They're all nasty.
Couldn't handle the 30-mile-an-hour backup speed.
Well, so things got a little muddy. A little hairy.
It's not gonna go that way either.
Yo, this is the part where I have to tell my friend that he was totally right.
It's true.
Damn it. So before you see this, hold on. Before you see this is the part where I have to tell you that you were totally right. Once again, I probably should have listened to you. I hope you brought a chain. Oh, you just brought a strap. That's interesting.
All right, so Vaughn won the race. We blew it, made a like 5-6 second mistake, and he won by 5 or 6 seconds. So now obviously we lost forward gears in the tribute. So we drove in reverse all the way back to the gate. We're really not supposed to be here to begin with. And then we got stuck at the gate, right on the street, right where we would definitely get in trouble. The car's sitting, and we've just abandoned it because we don't want to be there if somebody shows up. We call Vaughn to come get us. Vaughn's stuck over here. He's probably axle deep in some mud because it's been raining. I mean, this was dry earlier. So it's definitely been a day of wheeling, that's for sure. Oh shit. We clear? You good? You good? I see him.